Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer oil leak issue and the potential causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Oil leaks in the Ford Explorer are commonly described as oil spots under the vehicle, burning oil smells, visible oil residue around the engine, or low oil level warnings. Verified owner complaints and service information show that oil leak concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine design, mileage, maintenance history, and operating conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause is valve cover gasket leakage. Over time, valve cover gaskets can harden or deteriorate due to heat exposure, allowing oil to seep out and drip onto engine components. This issue is more commonly noted in higher mileage vehicles. Another confirmed cause involves oil pan gasket or oil pan sealing issues. Damage to the gasket or improper sealing can allow oil to leak from the lower part of the engine. Owners often report oil spots forming after parking when this occurs. Oil filter housing and oil cooler related leaks have also been documented in certain Ford Explorer engines. Seals or gaskets in these assemblies may fail, leading to oil leakage that can be difficult to trace without inspection. Front or rear crankshaft seal wear is another verified factor. As these seals age, they may lose elasticity and allow oil to escape, sometimes appearing as significant leaks near the front or rear of the engine. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include excessive crankcase pressure, PCV system issues, or improper oil installation during service. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through diagnostic inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include cleaning the engine to identify the leak source, replacing failed gaskets or seals, ensuring proper oil filter installation, and addressing related system issues once identified. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer oil leaks are resolved through gasket or seal replacement rather than internal engine repair. However, experiences vary by model year, engine type, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer oil leaks can result from gasket deterioration, seal wear, or component sealing issues. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.